Thank you so much for tuning in, lovelies. Today's recipe is vegetable pasta casserole. If you are new on my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for joining us. All the recipes for this casserole is listed out in the description box. But please stay tuned and let's cook. For this recipe, you'll be needing carrots. I have green pea, broccoli, red onion, and leek. You can go for any other favorite veggies of your choice in place of this. And then I have my pasta. You can go for penny or any other tube pasta. Here I have my sour cream and heavy cream. And then I have my grated mozzarella cheese. Next I have eggs. And then I have spices. First is the oil. I have oregano. I have all-purpose seasoning, which is the vegeta, pepper, salt, basil, and garlic cloves. To begin, I will bring a pot of water to a boil, season with some salt. Introduce your pasta, stir to prevent from sticking, and then cook to al dente about 10 to 12 minutes. It shouldn't be overcooked because we're still going to bake in the oven. Next to my veggies, I'm going to introduce some amount of oil on a preheated pot. Add in your leek and onion, first stir here and there, and then add in the broccoli. I will saute for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add in my carrot and still saute. We're not going to allow this to overcook because, like I said earlier, all this is coming into an oven, they're still going to cook. So this is just to bring everything together and also give it its own taste. Okay, so I season with some amount of salt and then saute here and there, season with some black pepper, some oregano also. Lastly, I am going to introduce my green pea and stir here and there. Set aside and let it cool down. Next, I will introduce my egg in a bowl and whisk. To this, I will introduce heavy cream and sour cream. Next to introduce is all-purpose seasoning. I added some salt to taste and some black pepper. If you want to go for chili, that's perfect, but I'm just going for black pepper today. And then I added some pressed garlic also. Again, I introduce my chopped basil. So here guys, the amount of cheese you had on your casserole depends on how creamy you want to have it. So add as much as you have at home, as much as you wish to have. So I just added my cheese and then stir all together to incorporate it. Back to my vegetable. As you can see, it's not overcooked and I have enough space to stir in everything. So introduce your pasta and your sour cream mixture. going to generously stir to make sure it's all well incorporated. So last control, you want to taste and adjust if needed. Get your casserole dish and grease with some amount of butter. And then you want to pour in all your mixture in the casserole dish. Just press down everything to make sure it's all well spread out. I love to have enough cheese on top of my casserole pasta, so you want to add as much as you can take. Spread everything very well to cover up all the veggies and pasta. This will give you the beautiful finish of gold brown color. Lastly, I will give it a touch of oregano to have that cheesy oregano taste flavor, okay? And then I will cover all with some aluminium foil. This will prevent my casserole from getting dry, and then bake for about 25 minutes first on an 160 C. Depending on what program you are using on your oven. In my oven, I added some amount of water on my baking pan just to produce that steam and dry heat at the same time. This way your casserole is going to be super delicious and soft. I'm just going to uncover it after 25 minutes and then let it continue to bake for 15 minutes to have that good looking color, gold brown color, okay? 15 minutes later, guys, our vegetable pasta casserole is ready for dinner. If you haven't subscribed to my channel till this time, please don't forget to do so. Subscribe, hit the notification bell. You'll be the first to be notified anytime I post a new video. Check out for more recipes, guys, on my channel. There's always one for everybody. And don't forget to share this video to your loved ones. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for always tuning in. 10 minutes later, I had to let it cool down. After 10 minutes, I'm ready to cut and enjoy. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and leave your comment down below. See you in my next one, guys. Bye for now.